Are there any specific HDMI splitters that are recommended for use with ARC-enabled devices?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of HDMI splitters, with a special focus on those that are recommended for use with ARC, audio return channel, enabled devices. ARC-enabled devices allow you to send and receive audio signals through the HDMI cable itself, eliminating the need for an extra audio cable. But, to fully utilize this feature, it's critical to choose the right HDMI splitter.
What is an HDMI splitter?
An HDMI splitter is a device that takes a single HDMI source and divides it into multiple outputs without losing signal quality. These are particularly useful in setups where you want to send the same audio and video signal to multiple displays, like a TV and a projector. But remember, not all HDMI splitters support ARC. So, you need to specifically look for one that does, if your devices are ARC-enabled.
What should you look for in an ARC-compatible HDMI splitter?
When selecting an HDMI splitter for ARC-enabled devices, the most important aspect to consider is ARC compatibility. The splitter should explicitly support ARC to allow audio signals to travel both ways. Next, ensure the splitter supports the latest HDMI standard to guarantee compatibility with newer devices and to future-proof your setup. Lastly, consider the number of outputs you need. HDMI splitters come in a variety of configurations, from 1x2, 1 input, 2 outputs, to 1x8, and beyond. Choose based on your specific requirements.
Which HDMI splitters are recommended?
While I can't provide direct links, there are a few models that you might want to consider. For a balance of price and performance, the JTech Digital JTD4KSP0301 is a good choice. It supports ARC and the latest HDMI standards. If you require more outputs, the OREI HDS108 is a 1x8 HDMI splitter with ARC support, ideal for more complex setups. However, remember that the right HDMI splitter depends on your individual needs and setup. So, always ensure the model you choose is compatible with your devices and meets your specific requirements. Choosing the right HDMI splitter for your ARC-enabled devices can enhance your audiovisual experience by streamlining your setup and improving audio quality. We hope this video has helped you understand what to look for in an HDMI splitter and given you some solid options to consider. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.